What's up everyone? My name is Jay and today we are showing you another iconic vehicle from Iconic Classic Motors in St. Louis, Missouri. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button if you love American Muscle or JDM imports. Give us a thumbs up if you would drive this car. We offer financing and nationwide shipping. See our website for details. Let's quit wasting time and take a look at this iconic vehicle.
The 2002 Pontiac Trans Am WS6 walk around and cold start video. 2002 Pontiac Trans Am special or collector's edition, which Pontiac celebrated 35 years of the Firebird's history. Elements of the that are unique to the collector edition include the special paint scheme, which is the yellow, the canary yellow. Detailed interior, the seats show a collector's edition emblem. And it was a WS6 performance and handling package. There's just 2,000 of these made, coupes and convertibles, and I've also seen one hardtop one, which that is probably extremely rare. We will go through, show you some of the flaws in the paint, the interior, do a cold start on this. This car is a clean title, shows no accidents. It does have some modifications done to it as far as like brakes, suspension, intake, exhaust, headers, transmission, that kind of stuff. This car does rip down the road. It runs and drives incredible. And it is a real head turner. It's hard to find the flaws on this car. There isn't a whole lot of them. There's a mark here. Well, that is actually just a piece of dirt. Scuff there. This car was very, very well taken care of. Black collector's edition wheels. Ram air hood. No chips in the glass. T-tops don't leak. The rear wheel tire tread is in very good shape. SLP exhaust. Driver's side wheel shows a little bit of some curb rash there. It's got a paint flaw here. Driver door. Got a mark there. Collector's edition badge. It's just a piece of, did rain here yesterday, so it does have a little bit of rain marks on it. There's a spot in the paint. Here is another one. Front wheel, little curb rash here. Interior, door panel, aftermarket radio, but it is navigation. Has some gauges up here. Hurst shifter. Steering wheel shows no wear. Seat, collector's edition. Looks in very good shape. Back seat is like new. Center console, no issues. Pop the hood. LS1. Rear mirror. Passenger side. Seat looks brand new. Another collector's edition. Rear seat, again, new. Door panel. Everything works. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Open up the trunk. Let's go ahead and fire it up for you. Show you that it's cold. Temp gauge. Got a good sound to it. None of those gauges work. No dash lights on. Bolts look good. Oil pressure looks good. Air conditioning works, heat works, radio works, shift's great, no grinds. Clutch feels awesome. Headlights, everything works. I'll put on. Hazards. Thanks for watching. (2002) Pontiac Trans Am underneath. coilovers.